Hi friends, welcome to Interactive Medicine. In this section, we can talk about the types of temperature curves and the examples for each curve. This is important for CROC exam. Temperature curves are fluctuations in body with time due to pathological causes. It depends on the properties and characteristics of pathogens life cycle, which means that pathogens sometimes dormant in body, sometimes it can active in the body. Sexual reproduction or pathogens is specific for specific body parts. If that pathogen lie in other than its replication area, it cannot make infection. And second one is by circadian biological rhythm of the human. And the temperature curves, we can talk about the temperature curve. I am here drawing in y-axis the temperature in degrees Celsius and the x-axis the time in days. And you can see I'm drawing some fluctuations. These fluctuations are within between the 37 and 38, which means that it is between less than 1 degree Celsius. The fluctuation is less than 1 degree Celsius in a day, within a day. Per day, you can see fluctuations of temperature less than 1 degree Celsius in a day. This is known as febris continua. And second curve talk about, you can see the fluctuation is more than 1 degree Celsius. You can see from 37 to 39, and it can be raised, temperature can be raised or low, but we can see gradual increasing. The fluctuation is greater than 1 degree Celsius here, and this curve is known as febris remittance. And the third curve, sorry, I am drawing febris remittance. This fluctuation is greater than 1 degree Celsius per day. The normal body temperature around 36.1 degrees Celsius to 37.2 degrees Celsius or 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. So we can draw here the normal range. Here I am drawing the fluctuations within a day. You can see the temperature is going back to normal range. This is known as febris intermittence, which means that temperature is normalized one or several times a day. And the last curve is febris recurrence. I am drawing days. In this section, the attacks of increasing temperature alternate with the periods of its normalization lasting several days. We can see some days the temperature is very high, sometimes temperature is in normal range. This curve is known as febris recurrence. You can see in malaria, chills and fever occur for some days. After, you can see in normal body temperature, again it will arises, the temperature will arises. That is febris recurrence. In febris continua, diurnal temperature is less than 1 degree Celsius and febris remittance greater than 1 degree Celsius, and which means that the within a day the temperature is going to be greater than 1 degree Celsius. And febris intermittence, temperature is normalized one or several times a day. Febris recurrence means attacks of increasing temperature alternate with periods of its normalization lasting for several days. You need to understand that febris remittance is does not return to its normal. Example for febris continua is typhus. And example for febris remittance is most viral and bacterial infections. And intermittence for recurrent purulent infection, abscess, TB. And in uh, recurrent typhus and malaria. Okay, for as a pneumonic fever, we know fever is a sign of pathological process. This mnemonic will maybe it's helpful for you. Crime intermittently reoccur. Okay, the C stands for continua, and RIME stands for remittance, intermittently stands for intermittence, and reoccur stands for recurrence. Continua less than 1 degree Celsius per day, remittance greater than 1 degree Celsius per day, intermittence normal in several times per day, recurrence normal for several days. Okay friends, thank you.